ng Japan ay makuha na ko ng kuan. Mangita ko.
Payuki me.
Manjapayuki mi dito.
Na, kay maayo na.
Mag-farmers mi dito.
Kapag si Bagita kwarta oy.
Kapoy kayo sige og live ay.
Ang doklong ko ng mga naong ninyo, ikaw na kayo magalingkod-lingkod, gikapoy pa mo, mga animal dyan eh.
Kapoy kay sige live ay.
Ya,
Gamay kikita.
Gabay kay kita.
kaisi, mag-live-live ra.
Palit. Mutang na ba ni sa cellphone ni ko ada siyang kuan alawan.
Wala, padikabot gani nga kuan, makuha ng allowance.
Lagi yun niya na lagi, kaya di pa dyan makaya sa person, oy. Kasi niya, eskwela na ko, makuyapan ko na to.
Shush, kawik gayo ay. Kulang ra gid
Lahi
kulang
naman yung tigulang magluyagod.
kulang ra nag red horse.
Ano ta?
Nay, babay nay.
Ano yung tigrid horse?
Nang mo eskwela na ka.
Sige na, apila ko ninyo ha.
Good morning, Ken.
Bye.
Ba?
We have school.
Kita ay. What's that? I don't understand Chinese. Kita ay. What happened to my ears? Sa una akong dunggan, ay akong ilong. Karon na pud akong dunggan. It so hurt. Lal. Kasi na 20, uy. It's Japanese. I'm going to Japan. When I get my NC2, I'm going to Japan. Yeah. Soon. Very, very soon.
Thank you po.
You didn't ask her.
What you about to do with
I asked her already.
hair? I need to dry and I will brush my hair later. Oy.
And she didn't answer. She didn't answer.
Kagwapa? Parang ba?
Ang gisuot ni ante kay katong orange. Katong na-slip ba? Ay, ato di si Uncle eh.
Hola, amor! Hola!
I asked her. Ato di si Uncle, ma'am. Let's eat. That's egg. This is my ulam. It's bra. Mang. Pareho sa color, oo. Te, ngayon na ta. Ngayon na ta. Yan, isa ko. Bulalok.
It's lunch. Oh, that is breakfast.
Yung maraming isa. Tawa ta.
Hi guys. Anyway, I'm just scrolling through and praying your day. You feel with me?
Why do you go Japan? I work there. I want to work there.
I will go to school na.
I look like Japanese, right? That's why I'm going to Japan or New Zealand. New Zealand or Japan. I want to be a farmer there. I want to be a farmer. Farmer. Now na.
Basa.
No. It's as a farmer, not a teacher. Because my NC2 is farmer. It's an degree.
It's about farming.
Agriculture. Yeah, farmer. Oh, wala lagi nag-iinit ang kuano. Dog.
Ay, pag ginala na nila. Ang pansit.
Panshit. I'm not a teacher.